In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel in ClickUp. If you already have a spreadsheet of tasks and you're ready to bring them into your workspace, this walkthrough will make the process clear and smooth. Before we begin, a quick prep tip. Make sure your first row contains clean, descriptive headers. Use one consistent date format across the sheet. And if any cells include multiple values like tags or assignees, separate them with a single character, such as a comma or semicolon. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. In the left-hand menu inside Settings, find and select Imports/Exports. This is the hub for bringing data into ClickUp. Next, choose your import source. For a spreadsheet, select the Excel option. Now decide exactly where you want your tasks to land. Pick the space, then the folder, and finally the specific list that should receive the imported items. If you're organizing new work, choose an existing list that matches your spreadsheet, or create a dedicated list in advance so everything arrives neatly. You'll be asked to confirm how ClickUp should interpret dates in your file. Match this to the format used in your spreadsheet, such as month, day, year, or day, month, year, so due dates and start dates line up correctly after import. Then choose the delimiter for any fields that contain multiple values in a single cell. Select the same character you used in your file, for example a comma, semicolon, or pipe, to ensure those values split into separate entries as intended. Click Continue to move ahead. Now it's time to upload your file. You can drag and drop the Excel file into the upload area, or click to browse your computer. Select the correct spreadsheet and click Open to attach it. When everything looks ready, click Import into ClickUp to start the process. Depending on the size of your file, this may take a moment. Once complete, head to the list you chose and review a few imported tasks to confirm that titles, dates, and multi-value fields appear as expected. If you notice something off, it usually comes down to headers, date formats, or delimiters. A quick tweak to the spreadsheet and a re-import will fix it. That's it. You've successfully imported an Excel file into ClickUp, bringing your tasks into a place where you can assign, track, and collaborate with ease.